Sometimes, the simple things make the difference between the right tool for the job and hours of frustration. Having a set of high-quality ratcheting wrenches in your toolbox will save your knuckles and help you get jobs done with ease. Hello my friends. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I recommend Best Cordless Ratchet Wrench Set 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the COMOWARE brand. Equipped with 12V high-spec motor, COMOWARE 3/8 cordless ratchet delivers max torque of 38 Ft-lbs at 400 RPM, perfect to remove or install bolts for auto repair as well as home repair. The electric ratchet weighs merely 2.2 pounds with battery for reduced fatigue. With the slim head design, this power ratchet can reach tight spots, making it perfect for any auto maintenance, construction or home repair work. This 3/8 electric ratchet wrench comes with two rechargeable 1500 mAh batteries which can be fully charged within 1 hour. Say goodbye to those dying batteries. You can get the job done with higher working efficiency. The built-in LED illuminates the dark work area and the onboard fuel gauge displays remaining runtime of the electric torque wrench. Soft rubber handle provides comfort and secure grip for long working hours with maximum control. We continue with the number 4 that is part of the RIDA brand. Cordless ratchet wrench with a maximum torque of 40 Ft-lbs and 0-400 RPM variable speed triggers. RIDA cordless electric ratchet wrench comes with a 2*12V 2.0 large capacity rechargeable Lithium-Ion battery and a 2.0 super fast charger. Achieve continuous operation without annoying wires and loud air hose. The battery life is excellent and the ratchet wrench has a good amount of power to get the job done, suitable for indoor and outdoor use. Weighs merely 2.2 pounds plus its ultra-slim head design, it is stress-free to use. The RIDA power ratchet wrench can reach any tight spots to ratchet nuts and bolts effortlessly, making it ideal for any auto repair, construction, electricity or home and steel structure installation and repair project, and an onboard fuel gauge shows remaining runtime. RIDA equips this ratchet wrench with a rubber handle, which makes it corrosion resistant and increases comfort during use, making it easier to drag when operating. This ratchet wrench is equipped with a safety cylinder lock device, which is stronger and has better anti-theft performance. RIDA paves the way for your tough jobs. Choose your RIDA 12V power electric ratchet wrench set without worrying about purchasing any other accessories. Number 3 in our top is from the COMOWARE brand. COMOWARE 3/8 ratchet wrench is powered by 12-volt motor, which delivers up to 40 Ft-lbs torque and produces 280 RPM speed to remove or install bolts or nuts. The electric ratchet weighs only 1.6 pounds, with battery, and its slim head design with strong power can be used for a one-hand operation in any tight spots to remove or install nuts and bolts. Built-in LED lights on the front of the unit to illuminate work in dark locations, and the battery power indicator will be turned on automatically when the ratchet wrench is started, so the remaining battery can be observed clearly. The forward or reserve switch on the back of the head and lock switch beside the trigger switch to prevent accidental actuation. Humanized design soft rubber-coated grip brings anti-slip grip experience, and only about 1.6 pounds of ratchet wrench reduces fatigue for a long period of using. It is an ideal tool for auto mechanics, construction, home maintenance work, scaffolding installation, robot breakdown service. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Number 2 in our top is from the Ratcheting brand. Are you still worrying lack of power of the ratchet wrench will affect your work efficiency? Ratcheting electric ratchet wrench in home and workshops will perfectly solve your troubles, which provides a 16.8V motor and delivers a max torque of 45 Ft-lbs. Compared with other cordless ratchet wrenches in the market, such a huge motor and torque will spin faster and powerfully during operation and provide durability. No longer worry about insufficient strength. Afraid speed is not fast cannot satisfy multiple occasions? Ratcheting cordless ratchet wrench in auto maintenance or home repair work has a max speed trigger up to 400 RPM provides ultimate control of the tool. poor battery life and no battery replacement? Denshare electric ratcheting wrench set perfect solution to troubles includes two powerful 16.8V batteries, making it efficient to replace. The 3/8 ratchet wrench is equipped with a charger. Each 2.0S/H battery of the electric ratchet can be used for nearly 1 hour at the highest speed. Denshare 3/8 ratchet wrench includes a fuel gauge which consists of 3 LED lights that indicate the level of charge remaining in the battery pack. This is a very thoughtful design to remind you when it's time to charge. Equipped with LED and power indicator will be your night glasses when working. The number 1 product is part of the S-Long brand. S-Long cordless ratchet wrench equipped with a 12-volt high-spec motor. It can deliver a max torque at 400 RPM and has a variable speed trigger for excellent control. S-Long electric wrench has a built-in LED working light and can clearly illuminate the dim working environment. The power indicator could tell you exactly the remaining battery power. S-Long cordless ratchet wrench weighs only 1.8 pounds. Even if you use it with one hand for a long time, you won't get tired. Since it has a slim working head, it could reach any tight spaces to fasten or unscrew bolts. S-Long cordless ratchet wrench comes with 2 rechargeable 2000 mAh batteries which can be fully charged in just 1 hour. You can finish your work more effectively. Comes with 1 power ratchet wrench, 1 carrying case, 1 fast charger, 1 manual ratchet, 2 2000 mAh batteries, 1 1/4 socket adapter, 2 long sockets, 2 screwdrivers, 8 pieces nut kits to make it widely used in many situations, such as furniture assembly, auto mechanics, mechanical repair, scaffolding installation. Which cordless ratchet wrench set would you like to buy for home or automotive? Leave us a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.